Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I'm doing fine, and I hope all of you are doing safe at your home because of the COVID-19 pandemic. Not much is going on outside, so stay safe at home. And today we are going to learn how to use variables in Code.org's App Lab. Let's start. So, first we need a text area and we need a button. So, basically, when this button is clicked, we are going to store a variable x is equals to, so this variable x is basically a storing area. So if we want it to be storing 100, variable x will be 100. So let's take an on event to test the number. So what you're going to need is a set number. Remember, please do not take set text, because if you do take set text, I'll show you what happens. So text area, and this is a variable x, so let's keep it as x. So set text area 3 as x. So now see what happens when you put it as x. Oh yeah, you have to rename this. And yes, this shows as x, and that is not what we are wanting to happen. So we're going to take set number, because it's going to take the number as it's storing a number value, and rename this as x. And now let's test it. Yes, it works. And if you want to use this, like, you can use it for like a calculators. These are very useful for coding calculators, for storing values, and you can even use it as text. There's nothing such like you have to use it for numbers. You can use it as text also. So I hope this video helped you, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.